Welcome. Today I'll show you how you can simply and quickly copy and paste anything on your macOS. So I will start off by actually capturing a screenshot as a showcase of this function. So there you go, there's a screenshot. I'm just going to wait for it to show up. Come on. There we go. So you can see there's going to be my item that I'm going to just utilize the copy and paste functionality. And I did bring up a keyboard just so you can see what buttons on your keyboard you need to press to basically copy and paste. And it's really similar to Windows, but not quite. On Windows, you'd normally press Control. On Mac decides to kind of ditch the overall Control option as a button to utilize, because you know it's Apple, so it needs to be a little bit different. So we're instead going to be pressing the Command. So it's this button right here with this kind of like weird swervy lines. It's on both sides, and I believe we can utilize either one of them. It won't really matter which one. And other than just a different single button, so instead of Control we're pressing Command, the rest is the same. So Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. And I'm going to just showcase this. So Command, as you can see, I'm pressing Command. And then I'm going to also press C. As you can see, the item is selected right now. Make sure your item is selected. Ctrl C. So I just pressed it. And I'm just going to press Ctrl V. And there we go. And I believe the name also will imply that there's a number 2. This is number 1. Now once you copy something, you can paste it several times, however many you want. So there we go. I just kind of went a little bit overboard here, I guess. As you can see, every time it shows you a different number because it copies also the name of it. But because the name exists, it adds a number. So that's how you would copy and paste items on macOS. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.